Centre is going to become the anchor for New Westminster. It's going to be a gathering place unlike any other, and really people from all over the Lower Mainland and even provincially will come to New Westminster and see this very professional, very dynamic, very multifaceted venue that's going to exist within our historic downtown core. We are more than certain that it's going to become an anchor in the downtown core of New Westminster to bring people from all over the Lower Mainland together, the community together, to really experience such a distinct set of services at Anvil Centre, performing arts, conferences and events. We have an amazing contemporary digital art gallery that's going to be opening within Anvil Centre, as well as lots of very interesting signature events happening up in the community programming spaces.